Hey everyone, welcome to another wild adventure. Today I'm deep in the jungle, and guess what? We're cooking up something truly special right by a stunning waterfall. And it's not just any meal, we're going primitive style with a local delicacy, goat. So here's the plan. First, I'll gather some rocks and wood to set up our cooking area. It's crucial to find flat stones because, let me tell you, they make the best natural pans. All right, found them. Now let's clear a small area by the waterfall. The sound of the rushing water mixed with the sizzle of cooking. It doesn't get better than this. Next up, it's time to meet our main guest, the goat. Over here we have a local farmer who's helping us out. He's brought a young goat, which is a common sight around these parts. They thrive in the jungle environment, and today they're part of our culinary adventure. Now, while our friend here prepares the goat, let's talk about the fire. Building a fire in the jungle can be tricky due to the dampness, but with the right technique and persistence, it lights up beautifully. There we go. The fire's crackling nicely now. Let's get cooking. We place the goat on the stones already heated by the fire. This method is all about slow cooking, letting the meat absorb all the smoky flavors from the wood. The aroma is incredible, blending with nature itself. While our meal cooks, let's not forget the surroundings. Look around. We're surrounded by lush greenery, the sounds of wildlife, and the powerful presence of the waterfall. It's like a feast for the senses. All right, I think it's time to check on our goat. Oh, that looks perfectly done. The meat falls right off the bone. It's time to taste this masterpiece. Wow, that's tender, smoky, and just melts in your mouth. Cooking in the wild, especially using primitive techniques, really connects you with nature in a way that's hard to describe. Thanks for joining me on this primitive cooking adventure. Remember, it's not just about the meal, it's about the experience, the connection with nature, and of course, the thrill of cooking something amazing in the most natural setting possible. Until next time, keep exploring and keep cooking.